Hey, Jimmy with Cuff and Stuff. Well, we were talking about cooking supper tonight, and it dawned on me, I haven't done a rotisserie chicken with all the chickens I've cooked. So we're gonna fix that. We're gonna do a rotisserie chicken, but we're gonna do it the way I do it. And you're gonna wanna stick around for this one. Let me tell you, you won't believe how good this turns out. So hang tight. Okay, so what we've got, just a regular 5-pound chicken that we have washed and patted down dry. Here's what we're gonna do. This is wishbone Italian dressing here. I fill my injector up. I'm gonna put some in the breast, and you can see it swell up. Put some down here between the leg and the thigh. See, that stood that leg up. Put some in the leg. Basically, I'm just injecting this chicken like I would a turkey. All right, turn him over, pump a little in his back. And stick a little in the wings. About all you have to do is get it through the skin. All right. Well, we got that done. All right. Next. Here it comes. You know I'm going to use it. I'm going to start with Uncle Steve's competition bird powder. And I just want to cover over it. Flip him over, get the other side good. And see, I'm not really going that heavy, but I do want to make sure that I get this on it. All right, the other one is, I can't really tell you which one I like the best. I like them all. Depends on what I'm using them for. On this one, I'm gonna add a little bit of smoke bomb. Let's see if I can get it in there. There we go. All right. So let's put a little smoke bomb over it. There we go. Oh my goodness, let me tell you something. I already know this is gonna be a pretty bird. Okay, so when I get ready to put him on the rotisserie, I'll bring you back. All right, well, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna start him on that end, and I wanna run right up through there. Put this other side on, And I don't want the legs flopping and carrying on. So I'm going to take and set these down. Okay. So I'm going to take a little bit of twine here and go around these legs. And all I want to do is just tie them up. I can get my hands to work here. All right, come on now. Got to cooperate with me. All right. Let's cut the ends off here. All right. And let's move over to the rotisserie. Can you see it? Yeah, you should be able to see that. I've got my charcoal in a basket on one side, okay? I've got my water pan in the middle. Notice I don't have the grate in it at all. I don't need it. So let's add the chicken to the mix here. And let's get it in on the motor. And get it hooked on that side. And let's turn it on. See what we got here. Okay. And I did not tie the wings up, and that's okay because I'm gonna let it cook underneath it. It's way out of the way. So let's take the top. Now I'm gonna start with the vent wide open and cover it up, and we're off and running. Okay, well, we've been exactly an hour. Let's see what we got here. Let's check in on them and see. Oh yeah, starting to get good color. Okay. All right. Well, you just keep on keeping on doing what you're doing. Okay. Well, we're exactly 2.5 hours in. So let's set this top off. There we go. Turn them on. I want to check the temperature, see where we are. We're at 1. Well, you know what? We're done. Can't beat that. All right. Well, let's take him off. Okay. Well, here we are. Let's see if we can pull this rod out. Oh yeah. Pull the rod all the way out. And then pull these little boogers out. Oh, let me tell you, the smell. Oh, yeah, I know. I say it all the time. All right, well, let's take it in the house. We're gonna let it rest for a few minutes, and then we're gonna cut this chicken up and eat it. So, hang around. We'll bring it back. Cut down this breast here and see. Oh yeah. Pull that piece up. Look at the smoke. It's just as juicy. Okay. Well, it's that time. juicy, tender. It's like butter, just melts in your mouth. And this has got that that shake is just, that bird powder, no wonder it's competition. Well, thanks for hanging around again. This definitely turned out, it's a winner. If you haven't already, hit the circle over here. I'll have another video for you over here. Until next time, hang tight.